Hi guys, my name is Rasmus. I recently built 3 online marketplaces, and what I realized is that the most important thing when you're building marketplaces is actually to get the MVP out there, launch it, to see if you can get both sides to connect on your marketplace. So that's why I built this boilerplate, and it will help you no matter if you are non-technical or if you are technical. Because if you're non-technical, you would just use AI a little bit more than you probably would if you are technical. But even as a non-technical person, this boilerplate will still help you make your MVP fast. Once you bought it, you'll get access to both the JavaScript and the TypeScript repositories. So all you have to do is basically just to clone the repository that you want to work with. And then you can go through this quick guide that I've made. There's even a video tutorial for setting everything up, and you should be able to have everything up and running in 5 to 10 minutes. For authentication, it is using Clerk, and the cool thing about Clerk is that it's very easy to add these social logins for your marketplace, right? So whatever social login you would like to add, it's super easy to add that here using Clerk. And this is then what it looks like the first time you have it up and running. So there's an all listings area where you have some filtering already in place. You of course then can go in on the Excel listings where you can also zoom in on images. You then have the protected area, of course, which is where users would be seeing their listings. They would be able to create new listings. This is also where they could be messaging each other. And this is also where they would be connecting their accounts to Stripe Connect in order for you as the marketplace owner to handle transactions. So everything for Stripe Connect is already set up. All the webhooks are there, so it's very easy for you to handle transactions from the beginning. In terms of the SEO, all you have to do is to update the config file, which is located in the root folder, and that way you can easily update all your pages in terms of everything needed for SEO, such as structured data, social cards, and so on. And for emails, it's set up so that you can quickly start sending emails using SendGrid. Now it also comes with a bunch of different components that you can use if you want to, right? So for instance, let's say we wanted to add the footer here, right? So then we just import the footer like this, and then we would just add it down here. Let's say we wanted to do that, right? Like that. And then you see the footer here. It also comes with more than 30 plus different themes. So if you wanted to go for darker colors instead, you could just change it to dark like this. All of this is explained in the documentation as well. And everything in the boilerplate is independent, meaning that if you wanted to use Mailgun, for instance, instead of SendGrid, you could easily just swap it. That's it, guys. If you buy it now, it comes with a $100 discount. So I am really looking forward to seeing what you're going to build. Thank you.